So the next one is site 9, which is the knee. And what I usually do at this point with a client is I say, grab your top and put it back on. And as they grab their top and putting it back on, I will start the measurement. And the reason for that is I don't want them standing there. They don't need to be shirtless for these ones. We're doing their legs now, so they can put their top back on. And usually at this point, before they've even put their top on, I've done their knee and I've done their calf. Obviously for this video, Jade's able to put her top on because I've got to explain these things as well. So the knee is a very, very easy one to do. You want to find the halfway point of the knee, which obviously you can get your ruler out and measure exactly where the knee is. And for most beginners, that's exactly what I'm going to recommend. But you want to find the halfway point of the knee. That's where it is there. Now, the way to do that, some people do have hard, I suppose, knees to find where it is. But the easiest way is just find the bottom of the patella, where my thumb is, and the top of patella, where my index finger is, and put your calipers directly over and above, and that's where the site is. So now I'm going to put my hand all over Jade's knee there, and I'm going to pull together. So I'll do that again, hand over the knee, I'm going to pull together. That's halfway point of the knee. Take the measurement, and it's as easy as that. Now this one, again, make sure you're directly on the kneecap. You're not up, you're not down, you're not to the side. It's directly in. Again, bottom, top, put that in between. Put your hand over, pull it all together, and there's the site, just like that. And it really is that easy when it comes to the knees.